Okay guys, hi. I'm a little bit nervous. Never done anything like this before. You see me squinting, it's because clearly I am outside. Welcome, this is my backyard. It's nice outside today, so I figured I would come out and film outside. I set up a little random assortment of things that I had in the house that kind of reminded me of the collection. I actually had this metal heart thing that my boyfriend gave me years ago that reminded me of the Wakeheart logo, so I put that out, and some of my succulents and air plants and the other fragrances that I already had, the twins individual fragrances. So what I'm going to do here today is review and first impressions of the Wakeheart Enterlight collection. I have the 3 fragrances here. I have not opened them, they are still in their boxes. They are right here. What I did do though is I went to the Wakeheart website and I read all of the descriptions of the individual fragrances. I wrote them all down and I watched the little videos that they had, sort of to get an idea of what their intentions were, I guess, with each fragrance and the different notes and stuff. So what I thought I would do was I would unbox each one, look at it together, look at the packaging and stuff, and then read to you what each one is, the vibe of each one, I guess, and the different notes and stuff, and tell you if I think that that's what they are like and what my thoughts are, if they match the descriptions that they give you, sort of like if trying to figure out if what they say on the website is what you'll actually get, I guess. It's my thought process. Trying to do something a little different than maybe what some other people are doing. Not that what other people are doing are wrong, I'm just saying, just something a little different. So let's get started, I guess. I'm excited. I have some thoughts based on the descriptions that I've already read of ones I think I'm gonna like them all for sure. I think the descriptions are very inspirational, which I think is really cool. Like, they're obviously trying to do something different here and inspire us all, and not just release fragrances, but like actually do something that has meaning. So each of these is sort of, I think, meant to inspire you to be better people and such. So the first one is Conscious Conversations, which is the blue one here. I don't even know where my lens is. There it is. Conscious Conversations, blue. So it says, the connection with your inner voice. It's the closest part of you that never is expressed to the world. Be in touch with your conscious while navigating through life and embark on your greatest journey of self-discovery. This scent, like your conscious, speaks to you. Okay, so it comes very well secured, so it's not going to like bop around in the packaging, in the box. So it's very similar in feel to the other fragrances. Like, it feels the same. It's glass. It's obviously a different shape, and you have the one side that's clear, which I think is super cool, because obviously you can't tell when you're running low on this one because you can't see. And then you have the color, which differs from each one, which I think is also pretty cool. I wonder what the size difference is. Yeah, so they're both 1.7, so they're the same. All right, so Conscious Conversations is supposed to be, have a top note of clear blue water, middle notes of white lilies, sweet orange blossom, and dry, I guess like the dry down of ocean driftwood, and it's supposed to be unisex. The video that they show online shows somebody in a shower. The dude in the video looks like Ethan. I know there's a lot of talk online about whether or not it is Ethan. I guess we'll never know. And the guy walks up to the window and there's white sheets. So I just wrote all that down. Why? I don't know. So to me, this sounds like it's going to be very clean. Maybe like an everyday type smell. Of all the different ones I wrote down, this one sounds like the most unisex, traditional unisex scent. This is the one I'm most drawn to based on the description. So we're gonna open it and see what's up. So, oh, it's very tight. Oh, that's cool. So the top is blue and shiny. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay. So I guess we're just going to spray. Okay, so yeah, oh, okay, so definitely the first thing you smell is the ocean thing, clear blue water. Okay, wow, and then it immediately goes right to the floral. So yeah, the lilies. Okay, yep, so water, lilies for sure. I'm trying to smell if there's any citrus, like the orange blossom. Oh, it's really nice. Very clean, for sure, very clean. A little bit like if you've smelled Bath and Body Works, this is obviously much more complex than that, but like a clean, what the heck is that stuff called? Clean linen, cotton blossom, kind of like that. Very clean, that's the best word, fresh. Yeah, so for sure, clear blue water and then a little bit of floral. Don't really smell the driftwood yet. That might come, you know, as it ages on the skin or whatever. I can definitely see this being unisex. It's a very nice smell. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna sit here and smell it for a second. Maybe I'll have a sip of my wine while we do that. It's nice. I like that one. I can see this being like an everyday scent. Like, you could totally wear this regardless of the season. Yeah, for sure. Okay, like that one, it pretty much stands up to exactly what it describes as far as the different scents and stuff. Alright, so that's Conscious Conversations. Next one, Lucid Locations. It's a purple one. So the notes I have says, immersing yourself in the present, observing your surroundings, and appreciating every moment. It's knowing you belong on this earth. No matter where you are home. It inspires you to absorb unfamiliar surroundings with an open mind and heart. Okay? Absorbing unfamiliar surroundings. So again, purple. Just like the other one's corresponding color. Tight lid. Shiny purple. I'm gonna get these all mixed up. I need to like keep my other limb down. Alright, so this one is supposed to be the jasmine scent. So top notes, apricot blossoms, mandarin, tea leaves. That's interesting because mandarin, I think of like a mandarin orange, but tea leaves, that's a separate, to me those are separate things. Tea leaves are different. And sheer jasmine petals, blue lotus flowers, white amber, and cashmere wood. So it's also described as a unisex. These are all listed as unisex. And then the video shows a purple cityscape. And then it goes into a nature scene with purple mountains and woods and snow. You see the snowboarding, and there's also purple clouds. So this one sounds like it's going to be floral. I'm curious how strong the jasmine's going to be. I like jasmine, but jasmine can be very overwhelming if it's like the most predominant scent. So I'm hoping it'll be sort of more subtle. I'm hoping it's not going to be like the most prevalent of the notes. Okay, so that one also smells very clean. Clean and floral. I need to move this away so I'm not getting confused. You have to make sure I'm in frame here. Okay, so clean and floral. But you don't really smell the jasmine, so that's cool. I'm immediately getting the amber and cashmere wood at the base or whatever it's. Okay, so Floral, for sure, at the top. And then woods. That's the vibe I'm getting here. Definitely clean. It's actually really similar to this one, the blue one, but more floral, I'd say. Almost baby powdery. But very, very nice. They're both very nice. Okay. Smells very familiar. Okay, maybe I'm picking the jasmine up a little bit now. It's so crazy how fragrances change. Like if I smell these in a little bit when I'm done, I bet they're gonna smell different. Yeah, the jasmine's coming out now here. Okay. I'm gonna give myself a breather here for a second. So yeah, this is my backyard, y'all. It's the middle of the winter-ish in South Carolina. It's like 60 degrees right now. Welcome to global warming. It should not be 60 degrees in February. But, you know, it is what it is, I guess. My backyard is in the middle of renovations. I'm turning pretty much my entire backyard into a flower bed. So that's underway. All right. They're very you can definitely smell them. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to spray it on my chest. Next one is the one Ethan did on Instagram. This one is Sunlit Sensations, excuse me. So it's the orange one. It says Pure Serenity. It's calming and warm and comforting. Knowing your value. The warmth begins with being kind to yourself. This scent is about acceptance, confidence that radiates by simply being you. Top is vanilla, sea salt, pomelo, blue freesia, orchid, and patchouli. And the video shows a hill with orange flowers, sunset, ocean, and people running and surfing. There's someone in the video that also looks like Ethan as well. Okay, so what's interesting is I was thinking about this when I wrote this down, and in Ethan's little Instagram thingamabob, he described it as toasted coconut, I think is what he said, but there's no mention of coconut anywhere in here, so that's interesting to me. Ethan definitely seems to like the vanilla scented things because his signature scent is definitely vanilla forward. So I'm interested to see, this combination seems really interesting to me. The vanilla and the pomelo. Pomelo is a big grapefruit-like fruit. And then freesia is a really pretty floral. And patchouli is sort of like that smell that you associate with hippies. Like if you go to, I don't know what y'all call them in different countries, but like head shops where they sell weed paraphernalia or like hippie stuff. Like if you go in there and you smell what it smells like in there, that's like what patchouli smells like. That's what it reminds me of, at least. So we will see. I'm kind of excited about this one. I might like this one too. I like them all so far. We're gonna open it. Same packaging, obviously. So this one is Sunlit Sensations. All right, we're gonna give it a spray here. Oh yeah, woo! Okay, so first thing that hits you is vanilla. Smell much else other than vanilla right now. Very vanilla forward. If I could, I want to sit here and stare down my shirt forever like a weirdo. Yeah, all I smell is vanilla. I'm also smelling this shirt because it's brand new and it sort of smells like when you get a new shirt. I don't know how to describe that smell, like plasticky. I'm gonna spray it on some of this packaging here and see what's up. I can smell it on here. Okay, yep, so definitely if you like vanilla scented things, this is your one, just because that's the first thing. Smell vanilla and alcohol is the first thing I smell. I'm trying to pick up some of these other things. Really all I smell is vanilla. Yeah, just vanilla. Maybe some of them will come out as they age. You know how that goes. Just vanilla right now. But also remember, I'm smelling like the outdoor smells and all these other smells, so it's hard. I'm sure as I wear these over time, I'm gonna think different things. I will experience the different smells. My nose might be getting a little overwhelmed, but yeah, for sure vanilla. Maybe a little bit of like a freshness to it. I don't smell that patchouli like I was describing. Like that funky hippie smell. You don't smell that. Pretty much just vanilla right now. Let me smell this again. Yeah, just smell my factory t-shirt. All right, so off the bat, which one is my favorite? Let me get a minute. I'm just gonna clear my consciousness right now. Can we also talk about how interesting these names are too? I don't think I've ever heard of anybody naming things like this. What is my favorite? Conscious Conversations. So yeah, fresh. It's nice, but it's not like things I haven't smelled before. Lucid Locations. Okay, wow. Okay, so this one has changed some, and now it smells. Now it smells baby powdery. Oh crap. I have so many packagings. Where did I put is this the one I sprayed? Yeah. I don't know which one I like the best. I may have to update you guys as I wear these more, because I don't want to make a rash decision. I like them all. They're all different but similar. Like honestly, I feel like you could mix these and they would be a really good fragrance mixed together. Like the individual fragrances, like Ethan's and Grayson's individuals that I have right here, are totally separate. Like I've never mixed them together because I feel like they're very different. Like Ethan's is very warm and like warm vanilla and almond and fall winter, and then Grayson's is like spring summer sea salt floral. So but these I feel like are all very kind of similar vibe. So I don't know which one's my favorite, but we'll have to wait and see how I feel over time. The packaging is super sexy. Like they're definitely meant to be displayed. I don't know what I'm gonna do in my house to display them. I'm gonna have to figure something out. But I think I'm gonna end up, once the weather is nicer and I have better sunlight, taking some pictures. Maybe putting something on Instagram. But review, they're all fantastic. Of course, they are beautiful to look at. I am excited to try them all out individually when I'm not on the spot trying to film a video, and I have a chance to actually absorb the fragrances for what they are. And I'm so proud of the twins for what they're doing currently with this company, and also what they're about to do with this documentary. They're about to change a lot of people's lives, and I think that's so amazing, and I'm so proud of them. I don't have any other words. Y'all know already how much they mean to me and how much they mean to everybody else in the fandom. They're just amazing people, and we love them so much. And that's pretty much it, y'all. A lot of rambling here. 19 minutes. Nobody's gonna watch this whole thing. Maybe I should record this again. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Bye.